Ready to step into tomorrow? Imagine walking among lifelike robots chatting away as if they're human companions. Let's discover the mysteries, unveil innovations, and explore limitless possibilities as we redefine human potential. The future, powered by AI, awaits. Get set for a new era where robots chat, virtual worlds thrive, and the unimaginable becomes real. Buckle up, the journey is about to begin, and you won't want to miss a single moment. Number 1. Robots with human-level AI. You won't believe what the future holds. Imagine robots and the virtual characters engaging in conversations just like humans. In just few short years, remarkable progress has been made in the field of AI, and it's getting us closer than ever to achieving human-level intelligence. Think about language models like ChatGPT. They're paving the way for a new era where robots might soon match our cognitive abilities or come strikingly close. Picture this. You could be strolling down the street and encounter a high-end humanoid robot engaging in a conversation that feels completely natural. These robots could potentially communicate with us at a level that rivals human interaction. And here's the kicker. Their AI-generated voices might even sound so convincing that you'd be hard-pressed to distinguish them from real humans. But wait, there's more. The future isn't just limited to physical robots. Virtual reality environments are also set to become playgrounds for advanced AI. Imagine stepping into a virtual world and having a chat with the virtual characters that's just as eloquent and engaging as any person you've met. The lines between reality and simulation are about to blur in fascinating ways. Fast forward to the year 2035, and things get even more mind-blowing. Experts predict that these AI marvels might evolve into what we call artificial general intelligence. These AGIs will possess the incredibly ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. It's like having a digital counterpart that matches or perhaps even surpasses our own cognitive capabilities. You know it's big when a former CEO of Google, Eric Schmidt, shares his thoughts. He's optimistic about the future, believing that by 2035, we could witness the birth of at least one artificial general intelligence. Now, that's a testament to the rapid pace at which AI is advancing. Number 2. Jarvis-like virtual assistants. Believe it or not, we might just see virtual assistants like those powered by ChatGPT becoming a regular part of our lives, possibly as early as this year. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. As technology evolves, these digital helpers are set to become even more human-like, making it seem like you're chatting with an old friend. Picture this. You're gearing up for a nerve-wracking job interview, and you wish you had the perfect answers at your fingertips. Well, this virtual assistant could step in to save the day, giving you the confidence and responses you need to nail that interview. But that's not all. Let's talk about your romantic life. Yes, you heard it right. Virtual assistants might soon be whispering the right words in your ear during dates, helping you to strike up engaging conversations that leave a lasting impression. Now, imagine you're in a grocery store, on a mission to whip out a scrumptious dinner. Your trusty virtual assistant could guide you to every ingredient on your shopping list, making sure you don't miss a beat. Heading off on an adventure to foreign land? These digital pals have got you back there too. They could become your personal navigators, guiding you through unfamiliar streets and helping you discover hidden gems in a foreign country. And the future possibilities? They're endless. Imagine slipping on a pair of augmented reality glasses and having your virtual assistant right in front of your eyes, ready to assist you in every way imaginable. Or if you're more of a voice command guru, your smart speaker and smartphone can easily become gateways to a world of AI-powered support. But here's where it gets even more interesting. By sharing your goals and aspirations with these virtual buddies, they could become your personal advisors, suggesting clever ways to help you reach those dreams. And the more you interact, by giving their suggestions a thumbs up or a thumbs down. The smarter they become, fine-tuning their guidance to match your preferences. Number 3. Search engines. We'll talk about how big players like Google are considering a game-changing addition to their search results: AI-generated content. When you look up something, along with the usual top-ranking websites, you might also see AI-crafted results right there on your screen. Let's break down how this could revolutionize your online search experience. Think of it as having an expert right at your fingertips. This AI-generated results would work hand-in-hand with the current top-ranking web pages, providing you with a more comprehensive understanding of any topic you're curious about. Whether you're digging into the latest scientific breakthroughs, exploring the fascinating world of history, or simply looking for the best chocolate chip cookie recipe, these AI-generated insights could give you that extra edge. Now, you might be wondering how this all works. Well, the idea is pretty simple, yet incredibly powerful. Let's say you're researching the history of space exploration. You'd still see those trusted websites you're used to, but now, thanks to AI, you might also find a concise summary or even a fresh perspective crafted by algorithms. These AI-generated snippets could condense complex information into bite-sized pieces, making it even easier to grasp. Number 4. Movie and show production. This sets to revolutionize the way to create movies and shows. Imagine a future where the process of bringing stories to life becomes smoother and more efficient than ever before. How, you ask? Well, let's talk about the remarkable integration of language model with AI art generators. You know that feeling when you're staring at a blank page, wrestling with a writer's block? Say goodbye to those frustrating moments. Language models are here to save the day. They're like the ultimate co-writers capable of turbocharging the script writing process. Not only will they help us draft dialogue and narratives at lightning speed, but they also assist in banishing writer's block to the past. But wait, there's more. Real-time storyboarding. No more grappling with static sketches or vague descriptions. With the power of AI, each scene can come to life visually. Language models team up with the AI art generators to create dynamic storyboards that match our imagination. Whether it's a thrilling chase through a bustling city or a heartfelt conversation under a starry night sky, we'll be able to see it unfold right before our eyes. Now let's talk about visuals. Crafting the perfect look for characters and their worlds has always been a meticulous task, but with AI in the mix, things are getting a whole lot clearer. These language models and AI art generators can offer suggestions for videos, images, and even virtual environments. It's like having a creative consultant who knows exactly what they're envisioning, from the attire of our heroes to the breathtaking landscapes they inhabit. Every detail can be finely tuned with AI's helping hand. So, why is this such a game changer? Well, think about the tough times in the year 2020. Filmmaking faced its shares of challenges, from lockdowns to restricted resources. But with the advancements we're discussing today, those challenges could become stepping stones. With AI's assistance, we'll have the tools to keep creating, no matter circumstances. Number 5. Education. Imagine a world where learning math, history, and science becomes not just easier, but incredibly exciting. That's right, we're talking about how language models could transform education. You see, these language models are like super smart virtual tutors. They have the ability to explain complex concepts in a way that makes total sense. Whether you're struggling with algebra or pondering over historical events, these AIs have got your back. They can break down ideas from various angles, helping you grasp them like a pro. But hold on, it gets even cooler, combining these brainy AIs with the AI art generators. Now, we're not just talking about words on a screen, we're talking about a whole new dimension of learning. With this integration, you could unlock a treasure trove of AI-generated videos, images, and even 3D models. These visual aids could take your understanding to a whole new level. Think about studying the pyramids in history class. Instead of just reading about them, you could explore a virtual 3D model that shows every nook and cranny. Visualize complex math formulas through interactive animations. Witness science experiments through lifelike videos. The possibilities are mind-blowing. And you know what's even more exciting? This revolution in learning could have a global impact. With internet access, students from all corners of the world could benefit. Test scores might soar, and we could witness a remarkable improvement in education on a global scale. So here's the scoop. You've taken a sneak peek into an amazing world that's waiting for us. The future is like a surprise package, showing us incredible things that will change our lives. Imagine robots that act like people and talk like us, and virtual helpers like in the movies that guide us through everything. There's also super smart computer stuff that can give us answers and even make stories more awesome. But wait, there's more. The future we're talking about has a lot of cool secrets and new things we haven't seen yet. It's like a big puzzle waiting to be solved. So are you ready for what's coming? Are you excited to be part of this big adventures that's happening right now? We're inviting you to join in, to explore, ask questions, and imagine what's ahead. What do you think about robots that act just like humans? How do you picture virtual helpers making your day better? Can you imagine using computer magic to find answers and learn in a whole new way? And what about making movies and shows with the help of computers? How cool is that? Share your thoughts, ideas, and dreams down below in the comment. Let's have a chat and dive together into a world where amazing things are real. Click that subscribe button, tap the bell to get updates, and come with us as we explore the exciting future ahead. The future with super-powered computers is calling. Are you up for the challenge?